How guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to secure the plastic bumper vents on Alfa Romeo GT and Alfa Romeo 147. So basically I'm not going to use the star washers. They are hard to disassemble and assemble as well. Instead I'm going to use some rubber tubing that I got at the hardware store, as you can see right here. We're gonna put those over the pins and secure the vent that way. As you probably already know, these plastic vents have at least a dozen pins, but I'm not gonna use all of them. I'm gonna use 2 on each side and 2 in the middle. So what I've done here, I've cut the rubber tubing into maybe a couple of centimeters length, and I'm gonna put them over these plastic pins. Now, since the pins can be brittle, make sure that you are careful so you don't break them. Now I'm going to assemble this vent. We're gonna see how well it holds, and I'm gonna move on to the upper bumper vent. Make sure that you align all of the pins with the holes and basically just push it in. Alright, that's good. Now, as you can see right here, if I try to pull it out, it stays in. However, if I use a bit more force, it's gonna come out without any issues. I'm gonna move on to the upper bumper vent. I'm gonna use basically the same method. You got 2 of these plastic clips on one side, and you got 2 of these pins on the other. I'm gonna add some rubber tubing, but be even more careful with these pins right here, since they are even more brittle and they can easily break off. That's basically it. All I'm gonna do now is put it back together. I'm gonna put some pressure on it, and I'm done. Just to check real quick how well the rubber tubing holds, and as you can see right here, this vent is not moving anywhere. Alright, that would be all for this video, and I've used this method for quite a long time and it served me well. As you can see, this vent is secured in place quite well, even by using only 6 pins. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.